Tell me where to go, tell me what to do. I'll be right there for you. Tell me what to say, no matter if it's...
Why am I so differently wired? Am I a Martian? What kind of twisted experiment am I involved in? Cause I don't belong in this world. That's why I'm scoffing at authority, defiant often. Flying off with the handle at my mom. No dad, so I am non-compliant. I'm thinking he can try and solve them. I'm outside chalking up drawings on the sidewalk and in the front drive talking to myself. Either that or inside hiding off and...
This is my legacy, legacy. Yeah. This is my legacy, legacy. Yeah. There's no guarantee, it's not up to me. You can only see. This is my legacy, legacy.
In a flying saucer full of Italian sausage. The most high exalting and I ain't halting till I die of exhaustion.
There's no guarantee, it's not up to me. You can only see. This is my legacy, legacy. Legacy, legacy.
Essentially gave organizations like GCHQ and the NSA a free rein to go do mass surveillance, uncrackable encryption for our data, and it is genuinely a real problem for the counterterrorism.
About various use cases, who the users are, and the government's trying to basically subpoena all this information out of the big cloud of these various users.